Hey, I'm Thomas. I'm our Schwaben brand manager, and I have two tools here that are going to make your life a lot easier. So the first tool I have here is our connector removal tool. The connectors on the coil packs are right on the top of the motor, so they're very easy to get to. This tool has two barbs in it that allow it to easily fit into the connector, so you can pull up on the connector without breaking it. Volkswagen-Audi connectors become very brittle over time, going through multiple heat cycles. This will save you time and money, so you don't have to replace the connector if you break it. And then the second tool that I have here as well is our actual coil pack removal tool. This has barbs on it to fit in the ground connection on the actual coil pack. Once this is inserted into the ground connection, you can go ahead and wind it up. And what that does is it puts pressure on the barbs, squeezing on the inside of the coil pack. Then once you do that, you can gently pull up, remove the coil pack, and then wind this back down, releasing all the pressure, and then easily take the coil pack off. But let me actually show you how these tools are used. We're under the hood here on our Mark 7 GTI. Some of the things you see in here are going to be a little different than maybe the GTI you have in your driveway, but that's no big deal. Going to show you how to use this connector tool. So the two barbs are going to line up with these two holes right here on the connector. The first one goes in, and you're going to push that down and then pull up. And then sometimes it might need a little bit of extra gentle persuasion, but it just comes clicked right off the coil pack. So to use our coil pack removal tool, we have to go ahead and get all of these grounds removed. As you can see on our car, we do have these beauty caps. You might not have these on your car. These pair well with our carbon fiber engine cover, so we're gonna have to go ahead and remove those right now. Next, with our Schwaben 10mm, we're going to go ahead and remove all of our ground bolts on the coil packs. Okay, so the last thing we have to do here is we have to remove the stud that acts as a connection point for the ground and to hold the coil pack down. So now that we have the coil pack down to this point and the ground connection area is open, we can go ahead and make sure that our tool's wound all the way down so there's no pressure on the barbs. Then we're going to go ahead and insert the tool into that connection area. Make sure that it's sitting flush. Go ahead, wind it up so it's putting pressure on the barbs and on the inside of the coil pack. And then after that, you can easily go ahead and pull up on the coil, and then wind this back down, release the pressure on the inside of the coil pack, and there you go. These two tools make the job that much easier for half the price of OEM, and they give you the confidence to do the job on your own. They're going to be linked in the description below, and while you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more enthusiast content.